Maintaining strong and healthy teeth isn't just about brushing and flossing. It also depends on what you eat. A balanced diet rich in essential nutrients like calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D helps strengthen enamel, fight cavities, and promote overall oral health. Let's explore the best foods that contribute to strong teeth and a healthy smile. For strong and healthy teeth, focus on foods rich in calcium, phosphorus, vitamin D, and antioxidants. Here are some of the best options. 1. Dairy products. Milk, yogurt, and cheese, high in calcium and casein, which strengthens enamel. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and broccoli, rich in calcium and folic acid. 3. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, sesame seeds, and walnuts, packed with calcium and phosphorus. 4. Fruits and vegetables. Apples and carrots, natural teeth cleaners, stimulate saliva production. Celery acts as a natural toothbrush. Strawberries contain malic acid that helps whiten teeth. 5. Fatty fish and eggs. Salmon and sardines, rich in vitamin D and phosphorus. Egg yolks, good source of vitamin D. 6. Green and black tea contain polyphenols that help fight bacteria and plaque. 7. Water. Fluoridated water strengthens enamel and washes away food particles. Avoid sugary foods, acidic drinks, and sticky snacks to protect your teeth. For more health tips and updates, don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for expert advice on natural wellness, Ayurvedic therapies, and daily health care. Keep smiling and stay healthy.